Haga sngi baar jaka taiew kata haga tarik mynta bnai seng Hnlc haga kyrwoh lyngba kilat pathai KHUBOR kala pynpaw bakla lyngba kloi Iakren iasuk bat Sorkar kmie baar Sorkar jylla khlem kino ki kyndon. Halor kani kondat ki sangma mentri rangba ke jylla habai Iakren bikla pathai KHUBOR haga khandai tarik mynta bnai ulong ba Sorkar kapriang kani ke jingterwa jaka seng Hnlc ban Iakren iasuk ulong ba mynta kinang ap satang ke shithi na ka seng haswa bat pinya chakmat yakikam.
We welcome the step that has been taken, and we are now awaiting a formal written letter from their side expressing the same that they have mentioned in the press release, because as a government we'll have to get an official communication.
Halor ka jingkwa jo ka seng Hnlc banthung du ksiang uban Iakren hapreng ka Sorkar bar ka seng Hnlc ukonut ulong ba ka Sorkar kalashimi ki kirteng jongkat tu kaningot ki brio ki batte bat shampang batang shudap ka Iakren on sajid yo way naki.
While we wait for the communication, the government has already started taking steps for identifying individuals who could be interlocutors also, and once we receive the official communication, we will then communicate to Government of India, and after discussion with Government of India, we will initiate all the required processes. And as I said, this is a welcome move. We are all wanting peace to be there in the long run, and therefore this entire communication is a positive, is in a positive direction. But as I said, that we will be waiting for the official communication from their side.
Nagaliang MLA ka Shillong North uba Edelbert Nongrum ula pynpaw ka Jero ka seng Hnlc kabla shim ka ni ka senja ban Iakren iasuk bat kumtaw kenturu ka Sorkar jylla ba ka ban shim ka jingkat khli naga banta ka suk ka san jong ka jylla hi brokway
kani ka ba mila kmilan tira khlem ba mar isutu ba ho ilai abang compare ki malten group si ni RSTF kuma solo kim point ta thong hom den re the only way out wala wara ita ka jing so wara ita ki jing hanglo bani so ki ba ka jing hanglo ka chokki bani ka bangila hawan ai ka jero wala so the government kani bat shim mi ka jingkli khamta mo ni so ya diga jikwa ka jing tharang ka chokki khamta pakim bu ni condition wala so tho makani kan kadalam le bat point ta ka thong kana mo ila bani ni ka state ni chongi masai si ni ban ma ta jeso Bagaimana kita kajing upslam ho ban khamtam ko bangi ki por ibalik lim kwa shu ya ko bangi ya ki bagaimana wanja ring kwa yang bani ta kajing kala khamtam me bangama de san posnam nani shi khamat ni ki jikarna